How to fix PrizePicks withdrawal not working or failed. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video, we will see how we can fix if the PrizePicks withdrawal is not working or it is getting failed. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. Now, if you open up the PrizePicks official websites and get to their help page, and under this FAQ, there you'll have one section that is why did my withdrawal request fail. So all the information regarding the error is given here. So you always have to verify your account details, check your withdrawal requirement, and verify your payment method. So if there is any address technical issue also, you might have that error. And review for any account restrictions and wait until the processing time. If not, you can contact to the PrizePicks support. So under this it says it has 1x playthrough requirement, which means you need to play through all the deposited funds once before withdrawing them, and you can read this information given to you. And the next one, it says inaccurate bank account information also cause withdrawal request to fail. If this happens, your funds will be returned to your credit card's balance and you will be able to create a new withdrawal. So always make sure that you have verified payment methods. You can check your bank account details, ensure the bank account or the card information is correct and active, and always look for the supported payment option. Confirm this PrizePicks supports your chosen withdrawal method in your region, and ensure your e-wallet or PayPal's account is verified and able to receive the payments. Under this, it says withdrawals can only be made using the approved payment methods that you previously used to deposit funds into your account. Apple Pay and credit cards may only be used for deposit, not withdrawals. And here it says withdrawals have the minimum amount of $10. Any smaller request will fail. So make sure that you have provided the correct amount, or which is more than or greater than this $10. If you have made any withdrawal amount minimum of $10, any request will fail. And under that, it says only one successful withdrawal is permitted during a 24-hour time frame. If your withdrawal request is processed at 2 p.m., you will not be able to make another request until 1 p.m. the following day. So you have to wait for the processing time. Some withdrawals may take a few business days to process. Check the withdrawal processing time for your method. If that is not your case, and if you are still having the problem, then you can contact to PrizePicks support. You can always reach out to their official help desk or support email and include the screenshot, error message, or transaction ID to help them assist you quickly. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.